Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Another champion, guys. Venkat here, and he has got 8 each in PT. Congratulations, Venkat.
Thank
Very
you.
well done. I remember your journey was full of ups and downs. It was a roller coaster. We knew that you were going to do it, but you were missing by 1 or 2 or 3 points every time. And
Exactly.
at one point, you said, "It's done. I don't really want to go for it again." What motivated you? What kept you going on? What do you think is important for the PT exam? That yes, you one day all of a sudden you said that I'll go for the exam, went for it, smashed it. What motivated you?
So basically, it's like no matter how good English you know, even if you pass English literature or whatever it is,
Hmm.
if you don't know the actual method of doing it, if you
That's
don't know how to perform for this exam,
hmm.
it's of no use.
Hmm.
So I understood that when I came here, and I did my best in the first time,
Hmm.
but then just for 3 or 4 points, I couldn't get it. So I was really upset.
Hmm.
So I tried again, and the second time actually it went down
Hmm.
because I was too tensed.
Hmm.
Okay, so first time when I gave it from India,
Hmm.
it was just 64,
Hmm.
and when I came here and I gave it was 84.
Hmm.
But then for the reading
Yeah,
thing,
that's
it
right.
was just 3 points away.
Hmm.
And then later on, I kept trying. I did my best. I practiced a lot. And at one point of time, as you know, that there is always, when we are students, there is always external pressure, and I thought of giving it up.
Hmm.
Then suddenly one day I thought, okay, last one try, let's just do it without any tension. I just practiced for 1 week
Hmm.
with our tips and tricks, all the methods. I did mock tests, and I just went and gave it.
Hmm.
And next day the result was on, and I never expected it actually.
Hmm.
Usually people, when they write and they expect,
Hmm.
I was like, okay, oh god, just make me pass, and
That's
it
right.
just happened.
That's right. That's right. A great story, I'll say. One thing which I take out from your story is that whenever you are stressed, whenever you go with this mindset that doesn't matter what happens, I have to do it, you are more likely to miss it because
Exactly.
it's more of your performance test. And in those 3 hours, if you are focused on, yes, I have to do it, I have to do it, you're not able to focus and concentrate on the exam. So, what I recommend all of you out there, just go and give your best so that once you're done with the exam, you shouldn't regret this that I wasn't able to give my 100%. If you give your 100%, you are going to do it. Another thing, that it's not your English exam. Unless and until you don't really understand what the computer needs, what the requirements of the algorithm are, you're going to miss out because we see a lot of students who are missing in writing. They keep on doing the essays over and over again. But again, to be practical, essay is only worth 10 points out of 90. And for that as well, you don't really need to write a very good essay, you just need to follow the templates, right? So, very important, guys, you understand how the exam works. If you do understand, you're going to make it. Otherwise, it can take some time and then you can miss out in one or the other sections. What do you think? How important were the lab sessions? How important were the mock tests and the feedback which you got in the lab sessions, Venkat?
I actually enrolled for around 6 weeks,
Mm-hmm.
and since the day one, after the classes, I got so much information on how to do it. Then I realized, oh my god, I am writing too much of philosophy in it. I'm not doing it the right way.
Mm-hmm.
And every day, even if it's Ishita, Priyanka, Varun sir, Vishal sir, everybody kept on, they kept on, like checking me. Okay, what am I doing? Where am I going wrong? And they made me realize this is the problem. Just small mistakes can end up in big issues. That was the main thing. And while doing mock test, also, I was all thing is, when we have too much pressure in our mind, this anxiety is normal. Heartbeat,
Yeah,
it's too much. So in the first thing, when we are doing the read aloud, we are so focused, and there are chances that the and all can mix up. So that presence of mind is very important. That's what I realized. And uh, always there is a what do you say, time to time checkup, frequent checkup. If we do read aloud, they say, okay, this is where you're going wrong. Describe image was very important part, where I was having pause, and every time Priyanka was catching it and helping me with it.
That's right. That's right.
And Ishita as well, she was following up so, like frequently, and I'm really happy I just got it.
Yeah, I
Thank you.
understand that.
Thanks a lot.
Understand that, Venkat. Guys, very important you understand what mistakes you're making because PT is very simple if you understand. If you don't really know what all it is about, you are going to struggle and you are going to complicate things. We see a lot of students, they try to go for it with a typical mindset that yes, I have to write very good academic words, I have to use very good explanation of describe image. Whereas if you understand the logic, you don't really need to do something, you just need to go with the basics and you're going to smash it. Any advice for students who are going for the exam, who are missing by 1 or 2 points, who feel like giving up like you were at one point? Any advice for them, please?
So guys, the only thing is whenever you're in trouble or anything, just focus. Focus is the main problem. We lose focus because once we have too much tension in our mind, okay, the work and how to balance this, just get rid of everything for 1 week. Just focus on PT and get it done. I came here after a lot of research. This is basically a miracle academy for me. I did a lot of research and I came here, and 3 attempts, it just worked for me, and I'm very happy. And again, I'm telling, it's not about how good you are in English and all that. If you don't know the real method of doing it, you're gone. This is a perfect place.
That's right. Thanks for that, Venkat. Guys, very, very important point. What I take out of his journey, and you should take out of his journey as well. First of all, understand what the exam is about and what are the requirements of the algorithm to give you the score. How do you get 100% of the score? Second thing, make sure you ask for feedback, because if you are doing something again and again and you don't really know what mistakes you're making, you are going to basically get the same score over and over again. And last thing, make sure you believe in yourself. Don't ever give up. Make sure you have this mindset that doesn't matter what happens, I have to go for the exam. Doesn't matter how many times I get down, I have to stand up and make sure I get my desired score. That's all you need to follow, and you are going to get your desired score, guys. Thanks for coming over, Venkat. Very, very proud to have you. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do not give up and get your ATH. The day you get your ATH, you will be very, very proud that you did not give up and you have made it. That's it. Thank you, guys. I'll see you very soon.